Hi everybody, my name is Skye and I'm one of the estheticians here at Dermatology, as well as the receptionist and many other things. So I wanted to go over and make it very clear about the Obagi Nu-Derm System kits. Okay, there is normal to dry as well as normal to oily. There is a difference between the two kits. I also want to go over everything that they work on and why they're so beneficial. It is called the Skin Transformation Kit for a reason. So you are literally transforming your skin into the beautiful you. I will also go over step by step how to use the system and to make it just a little bit more clear and a little bit more easy for you to use at home. Okay, so first we have the normal to dry, and this is what they look like. Okay, right here, the Nu-Derm system. So with the normal to dry, okay, so this is the normal to dry kit. Okay, each product is numbered. It also has your AM and PM symbols, or just your AM or just your PM. This is going to indicate and let you know that you're going to just use this for your morning routine, or you're just going to be using this for your night routine. Okay, in order still, but you might kind of obviously customize what you need for the day, what you need at night. So we're going to cleanse, number one. Okay, then we're going to tone. You can put this on a cotton round or a 4x4. I've even put it in my hands and then dabbed it onto my skin. Okay, you might waste a little bit more that way, but that still does work. Just don't squeeze as much out, okay? Then we're going to be going to our step number 3, which is called clear. This one you're going to be using twice a day. It has the AM and PM symbols on there, okay? This is your hydroquinone. So this is what's going to lighten and correct your skin. The hydroquinone is a skin lightening agent, for lack of a better word, a bleaching agent. So this is not going to bleach your skin, but is going to correct and help you with your dark spots, sun damage, hyperpigmentation, okay? So this one is a winner right there. In your AM routine, you're going to go to step number 4. This is your Exfoderm, okay? This is your topical exfoliant. So you will use this in the morning. Then we do have blender. Okay, this is step number 5. This one has PM only, and you're going to be using this at night only. There's also another way we're going to be using this, and I'll get into that later. Of course, we're always going to end with our moisturizer, okay, which is going to be step number 6. And then obviously, if we are in our daytime morning routine, we are always going to end with our sunscreen. Okay, that is your very last morning day routine. Sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. I cannot say it enough. You need to be using your sunscreen. I realize we've had our time in the sun, but now we are correcting from that, and you have to use your sunscreen. We also have travel size, or you can just pop this in your purse so you can reapply later. Okay, this is super important to have. Okay, so let's say we're just doing our morning routine, okay? And this is, again, the normal to dry. We are going to cleanse, we are going to tone, we are going to use our number 3, which is our hydroquinone, okay? And then we are going to use our Exfoderm, our number 4. Okay, again, morning routine. We are then going to skip over 5 and go to 6, and we are going to hydrate. And then our very last step is going to be our sunscreen, okay? So that's our morning routine. We're done. Now let's say it's our nighttime routine. Now we need to wash the day off. So again, we're going to cleanse, we're going to tone. Let's get that hydroquinone back on there. So number 3, we are going to skip our Exfoderm, our topical exfoliant, which is number 4. But we are going to use our blender, which is also our hydroquinone. Okay, this blender that we use only at night, which is number 5, is also a hydroquinone. This is also a skin correcting lightening agent. This number 5 makes your number 3 better. Okay, it's a 4%. They're each 4% hydroquinone. Okay, this is amazing. This is what helps number 3 out. So together they are a pair and they should be used every day, okay? Obviously, we're just going to use the blender at night. And this one goes on before. This one's twice a day, but this one's only at night, and this is the blender. Okay, and there's another purpose for this, but this is also your hydroquinone. Okay, then of course, we're always going to moisturize, but it's nighttime, we're not going to put our sunscreen on. Okay, so that's the normal to dry kit. Okay, I'm also going to go over the normal to oily kit for you, and that way you can kind of see a difference between those products. Okay, so this is the normal to oily Nu-Derm system here. Okay, so again, the difference between the two kits is one is for dry, one is for oily. It's the cleanser, okay, and it's going to be your number 4, which is your topical exfoliant. This topical exfoliant here has glycolic and lactic acid. Okay, so this you want to use on oily skin. Again, this cleanser is also for oily skin because we're going to strip any excess oil away. Okay, so that's the difference, the cleanser and your topical exfoliant. So let's go over our routine just with the kit here for oily skin. Of course, we're going to do step number 1. We're going to cleanse. We're going to tone. This also has the hydroquinone clear AM and PM. Okay, your Extraderm Forte, which is only used in the AM. This is your topical exfoliant. This is step number 4. Step number 5 is nighttime only, another hydroquinone, the blender. Okay, and then of course we have our moisturizer and our sunscreen. So let's go over our morning routine with the oily kit. Of course, we're going to cleanse, we're going to tone. Let's get that hydroquinone on there with our number 3. We need a topical exfoliant for the day, so we're going to go to number 4, which is the Extraderm Forte. This has the glycolic and lactic. This is 8 AM, so morning routine only. Okay, we're going to skip our second hydroquinone blender product, which is number 5. We're going to moisturize, of course, and of course our very last step is going to be our sunscreen. This is a matte SPF 50 sunscreen. So this is your very last step every single day morning. We end with this one. Let's do our nighttime routine. So we're going to cleanse, we're going to tone. Okay, of course we're going to do our number 3, hydroquinone. We're going to skip our topical exfoliant, which is the Extraderm Forte number 4. Okay, but we are going to use our number 3's best friend, number 5, which is the blender. Again, this is our hydroquinone. It's also a 4% hydroquinone. This is for our dark spots. Of course, we are not just correcting dark spots. We are also correcting anti-aging and aging skin and wrinkles, but we are also working on our dark spots and sloughing off any dead and dull skin. So it's a whole transformation, literally, with these kits. We are working on a number of corrections. Okay, and then we are going to end with our moisturizer always, and we're going to skip our SPF. Okay, so this was our nighttime routine. So remember, I was telling you that the blender, okay, the second hydroquinone, the buddy of the number 3, has a second purpose to it. So it's called blender for a reason. One of the things that will make these transformation Nu-Derm systems better is by adding in your tretinoin cream. Okay, this is the 0.025. This is the lowest percentage that they have, but this is where you would start if you haven't used a tretinoin or a retin A cream. That's what this is. Okay, this is amazing, love it. This at night only is going to be blended literally with your blender, your nighttime only number 5 hydroquinone, pea-size amount, and you will blend those together. And at night only, that's when you are going to put it. I put it on décolleté, neck, face, I put it everywhere, okay? I let it dissipate and kind of hang out for a second on my skin. And then of course, I'm going to end with our moisturizer. The same deal with the normal to dry kit. Your Retina A, okay, is going to be blended in with your number 5 blender hydroquinone nighttime only. Okay, so we're going to blend that in there. Same situation with the normal to dry. So that's our nighttime routine. This will just only increase the benefits of this transformation kit, okay? Okay, so now that we've gone over the products and the difference between the two systems, as well as how to use the products, you do have different phases when you're using these kits, okay? You kind of have to go through a process, especially the fact that we're using these topical exfoliants and we're trying to literally correct the skin. So there are different phases and we can kind of go over those in detail. You can always ask me any questions about it. The kit is where you should start, okay? You might have to do a second kit, or what we do is anything that we're running low on, these products are sold separately as well. So let's say I'm starting to get low on my number 3 or my number 5 blender. I can go in to Contour Dermatology at any one of the locations and pick up a number 3 and a number 5 and replenish what I need, okay? And you will have to do that. It might take you what we call a couple rounds of the system to really get the best results. Everyone's skin is different. We obviously recommend, if we don't take some pictures for you, that you take a selfie of yourself so you have something to compare, because it's a lot harder to try to remember how dark that spot was or where that spot was, or is that wrinkle, has that gone down, has that reduced, does my skin look brighter, does it look tighter and lifted? So definitely take a selfie and definitely have something to compare, okay? And we can kind of go over that in detail. If you don't have these kits, you need these kits, okay? These are amazing. What we're going to be working on is correcting our dark spots, our hyperpigmentation, okay? I'm also working on anti-aging and preventative aging, but aging that I have now, okay? So my wrinkles, my deep lines, fine lines, my pore size, my overall tone and texture of my skin has 100% gotten better, corrected. It looks amazing night and day. I wish I had some before and afters for you. So that's what these systems are here for, okay? We highly recommend them and we know they work. Again, if you have any questions on these, I'm always here. My name is Skye and we can go over these in detail. I will try to do some more videos and obviously improve my teaching skills and maybe have some ideas for some more headbands for you, okay? So thank you so much for being a part of this. I hope it made it a little bit easier to follow these steps, and I look forward to seeing the most beautiful you with these Nu-Derm transformation kits from Obagi. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day. Bye.